Google has caught many off guard with its announcement that the Pixel 9 series will debut on August 13. This is significantly earlier than the typical fall release window for Pixel devices. With just days to go until the official reveal, we can expect to see 4 new Pixel phones. This year, the lineup appears to include 3 standard models: the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL, along with an innovative foldable device known as the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is set to be the standout model, boasting the largest size and most advanced features among the new standard Pixels launching this August. This positions it as a formidable competitor to Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is currently the top conventional smartphone from Samsung for 2024. So, which device will ultimately take the crown? According to the latest rumors and leaks, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is set to be a direct successor to the Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 8 Pro. It will feature a 6.7-inch display, maintaining a similar size to its predecessors. In terms of design, we anticipate a sleek stainless steel frame with a predominantly flat aesthetic, which is quite popular at the moment. Visually, it will adhere to the recognizable Pixel design language, showcasing a revamped camera strip on the back that moves away from the previous 3D visor appearance. Both devices are expected to offer robust protection against the elements, boasting an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. This means they can withstand immersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes without any issues. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra features a nearly flat titanium frame with a subtle curve for improved comfort. It is Samsung's largest conventional phone released in 2024, sporting a completely flat 6.8-inch display. As with earlier Galaxy models, it comes with the S Pen conveniently stored in its silo. In terms of color options, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is likely to be available in obsidian, porcelain, rose and hazel, black, white, pink, and green, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra will come in a variety of shades including titanium black, gray, violet, yellow, blue, green, and titanium orange. While the two phones will have slightly different display sizes, the difference won't be significant. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is anticipated to feature a 6.7-inch QHD plus OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring that content flows seamlessly. Although details are still under wraps, we expect the Pixel 9 Pro XL to inherit the impressive brightness of its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro, potentially reaching a peak brightness of over 2400 nits for excellent visibility in bright environments. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will sport a marginally larger 6.8-inch QHD plus OLED display, also with a 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung is pushing the brightness envelope as well, with its flagship capable of achieving peak brightness levels exceeding 2500 nits under optimal conditions. In terms of biometric security, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is likely to feature an in-display fingerprint scanner, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We hope it utilizes ultrasonic technology rather than optical, as ultrasonic scanners tend to offer quicker and more precise performance. Based on our predictions and the various rumors circulating, it seems quite reasonable to anticipate that the Tensor G4 will be featured in the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Similar to its predecessors, this chip is heavily focused on on-device AI and machine learning, prioritizing these capabilities over sheer processing power. However, we shouldn't assume that the Tensor G4 will struggle with demanding tasks. It has proven itself competent in previous iterations. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which stands out as one of the leading options for performance in 2024. Not only does it excel in our synthetic benchmark tests, but the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is also recognized for its efficiency, thanks to its 4nm manufacturing process. The Pixel 9 Pro XL might feature 16 gigs of RAM, which would be more than sufficient for its AI functionalities. If that doesn't materialize, 12 gigs of RAM would still be a solid choice. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers 12 gigs of RAM, which is adequate for now, but may not be entirely future-proof considering the increasing demands of AI technology in the years ahead. Samsung and Google have both established impressive 7-year software update policies. This means that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will receive support until 2031, matching the longevity of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. There's a strong possibility that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will debut with Android 15, which is expected to be a subtle upgrade from Android 14. However, some speculation suggests that Google might delay the release of Android 15 to refine the update, meaning the Pixel 9 series could launch with Android 14 instead. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature One UI 6.1, based on Android 14, but it's likely that Samsung will roll out One UI 7, which will be based on Android 15, shortly after Google officially releases the new software. While details about the Pixel 9 Pro XL's camera specifications remain limited, the current consensus in the tech community is that it will likely retain a similar camera configuration to its predecessor. This includes a 50 megapixels primary camera, complemented by a 48 megapixels ultra-wide and a 48 megapixels telephoto lens featuring 5x optical zoom. Given the exceptional quality of Pixel cameras, we have confidence in Google's ability to enhance image quality using the existing hardware. However, there are whispers that Google might revamp the camera arrangement for the Pixel 9 Pro. Speculation suggests the possibility of 350 megapixel sensors on the back, with the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses potentially utilizing the Sony IMX858 sensor, while the main camera could feature a 50 megapixels Samsung G9K sensor. Additionally, the front-facing camera might also be a 50 megapixels Sony IMX858. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has maintained the same camera system as the S23 Ultra, but with a notable change. It replaces the 10 megapixels periscope camera with a 50 megapixels telephoto lens, offering 5x optical zoom. This adjustment has proven to be an improvement, allowing the device to achieve the same 100x space zoom capabilities while providing superior zoom quality, which is crucial in various situations. Ultimately, it remains uncertain which phone will produce better image quality, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra appears to have an advantage with its more adaptable camera setup. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is anticipated to feature a battery capacity of either 550 or 5100 mAh, representing a minor enhancement over the previous generation's 5000 mAh battery. With the efficient Tensor G4 chip on board, this upcoming flagship is expected to offer impressive battery performance, likely surpassing that of the Pixel 8 Pro. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that, when paired with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, provides outstanding battery longevity, setting a high benchmark for other flagship devices in 2024. Regarding charging speeds, there are whispers that the Pixel 9 Pro XL may support 33-watt wired charging, which could mean it charges more slowly than the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 45-watt wired charging. Nevertheless, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to feature 23-watt wireless charging, a notable improvement over the Galaxy's 15-watt wireless charging. It appears that Google is gearing up to launch a formidable competitor to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, intensifying the battle for supremacy in the Android market. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is likely to showcase a plethora of AI innovations that Google has been developing. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out as a top contender and is arguably one of the finest smartphones of 2024. Which device will come out on top? Only time will tell, but at this point, the Galaxy S24 Ultra seems poised to keep its title. So, what are your thoughts on both the devices? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.